In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track tenant security deposits in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a landlord managing multiple properties or a small business owner ensuring accurate financial records, keeping track of security deposits is essential. It not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures you're ready when it's time to return these deposits to your tenants. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps to make this process smooth and efficient. First, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Start by heading to the QuickBooks website and clicking on the Sign In button. Once there, be sure to select QuickBooks Online. Now you might be prompted to enter your credentials such as your username and password. Simply type in the details and click on Continue to gain access to your account. Once signed in, your next step is to navigate to the Transactions section. To do this, you'll need to access the chart of accounts. This is where you begin organizing how tenant security deposits are tracked. Finding the exact link within the QuickBooks interface can sometimes be tricky, but simply heading to the chart of accounts can be done by following the navigation link, often visible on your QuickBooks dashboard. In the chart of accounts section, you'll notice a button labeled New. This is crucial as it allows you to create a new account specifically for tracking security deposits. Click on this New button to open the setup wizard. At this point, you need to assign a name to your new account, and I recommend calling it Security Deposits. Having a clear descriptive name helps in easily identifying it later on when you're reviewing your financial statements. Next, move on to selecting the account type. For tracking security deposits, it's best to choose Other Current Assets. This classification ensures that the deposits are correctly categorized as assets since they are funds held until a condition is fulfilled. With the account type set, it's time to choose the detail type. Here, you'll want to select Other Current Assets again. Maintaining consistency in the account type and detail type helps QuickBooks to process these entries effectively within your financial reports. Finally, once everything is set and you've reviewed the details, go ahead and click Save. This saves the new account into your chart of accounts, ready to be used whenever you need to enter or track security deposits. And there you have it, a streamlined process to track tenant security deposits using QuickBooks Online. With these steps, staying organized and maintaining transparency in your financial dealings becomes a lot easier. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your rental properties just a little bit simpler. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.